And what we hear, my friends, is a Arcam FMJ CD23, or perhaps even CD23T in an ordinary CD23 chassis. FMJ, by the way, and I'm not kidding you, stands for Full Metal Jacket, because the chassis is very thick and aluminium there is sizable and all that. So why the third Arcam? Well, because I was determined to get all three of them. Arcam and DCS made this RingDAC. They developed that decades ago, and DCS to this day sells them for tens of thousands of dollars, or the cheap ones for just thousands of dollars, whereas in Arcam you can get the same technology for much less. The first one I had was Alpha 9, which didn't really stir my emotions. The CD92 was much better. I had a very detailed bass and pretty good top end. Not quite Vadia territory, but pretty damn good, considering it costs, you know, probably 1/10 of what Vadia did. So, but I wanted to try the last one, and then I got my hands on. Very good condition, just minor scratches on top lid. It's a good construction. All the, I think these I don't know, there's a Rubicons, or I forgot the K designation on capacitors. We have to look up what they are, but I know that they are pretty good. Oh, these are Nihikons. Nihikons, or let me. I don't know whether I can see it properly. No, these are Rubicons, as I thought. And there's all of them. They're sealed transformer. What's nice about it also is that you can just convert it from 240 to 120 by swapping a fuse. That's a very neat solution. This unit came to me with box, manual, whole works, remote, and even spare laser. The only problem with spare laser is, well, other than the fact that the spot where the laser run, it just came off, you know, when the laser actually is being read, it just came off. But the main problem with it is that it is KSS-213, and this unit uses, and you will see it here, it uses KSS-213. So, which, and I hinted at before, leads me to believe that it's not in fact a 23 but 23T. T stands for text. So this is both CD-Text. So I'll turn it down because it whenever I play Norwegian Wood from Kari Bremner's, my test CD here, it always tells me I'm infringing copyright. So, but you can see Lover in Berlin. So that's that leads me to believe that it is 23T. I'm going to take it to my number one system tonight and do some ironing and some serious listening to see if it is better and if it's a style. I hope it is. It is not a balanced output, but other than that, it ticks all the boxes. There's HD CD with PMD-200 Pacific Microsonics chip, and so yeah, I know I'm raving incoherently, but I'm very excited about it, and it reads like most Arcams. I don't know what they do. They read CDs with the laser power output of 0.05 of microwatt, whereas normally they need tenth or between 10th and 0.2 of a microwatt. So that's all for now, and well, I suppose this is it. I probably won't sell it. Extremely good condition, reads anything, CDRs, non-CDRs, instantaneously. Beautiful machine all around. And maybe if it is that good that I'm gonna keep it, I'll do another video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.